Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share a YouTube video in Snapchat. So if you stumble upon a favorite YouTube video and you would like to share this particular YouTube video on your Snapchat account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to share YouTube video on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application. Locate and open the YouTube video you want to share on Snapchat. So let's say I want to share this particular motivational video on Snapchat. All I just need to do is come to this menu and then click on share. Then you want to see the share pops. Just go ahead, swipe through this menu, then you see Snapchat. Go ahead and click on Snapchat. Once you select a Snapchat, you see what that says YouTube wants to open Snapchat. Go ahead and click on open. Once you click on open, just hang on there. You see Snapchat video posted on YouTube. Click on allow while using this application. Then you should see the particular YouTube video you want to share in your Snapchat. To share the YouTube video on Snapchat, you can either go ahead, click on your story, or click on send to. So if you click on send to, you'll be able to send the YouTube video to a group of people. But in this case, I'm going to share this particular YouTube video on my story. You can also add filter to the YouTube video. Then you can also come back and use the default. So in this case, let's say this is what I want to share on the Snapchat. Then go ahead and click on your story. Then go back to your Snapchat story and you should see the video you shared. You see that? Click on it, then you should see the video just like this. So that's exactly how to share YouTube video on Snapchat. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.